Hey, all you amazing single moms out there. I know firsthand that raising a family on a single income is tough. You're juggling being a mom, a dad, a breadwinner. Talk about wearing a lot of hats. But listen, managing your money doesn't have to add to the stress. You can get ahead, and it all starts with taking control of your finances. In this video, we're going to go over some practical, no-nonsense tips that'll help you do just that. We're talking about creating a budget that really works, building up that emergency fund, because, let's face it, life throws curveballs, and even finding ways to bring in some extra cash. I'm talking about taking charge of your future. We're not going to sugarcoat it. It'll take work and dedication, but trust me, the peace of mind and security you'll gain are worth it. So grab a pen and paper, get ready to take some notes, and let's dive right in. The first step to getting control of your money is knowing where it's going. I know budgeting might sound about as fun as a root canal, but it's the foundation for everything else. I want you to grab a notebook, open up a spreadsheet, or use a budgeting app, whatever works for you. Now write down every single source of income you have coming in each month. That's your child support, any government assistance, your job, everything. Next comes the tougher part, tracking your expenses. And I mean everything: groceries, rent, utilities, those little trips to the dollar store. We've all been there. Once you've got that all down, it's time to compare. How much is coming in versus how much is going out? Are you spending more than you earn? Don't beat yourself up if you are. This is where you get to make changes. Listen, life is unpredictable, especially when you're a single parent. The car breaks down, your little one needs unexpected medical care, or maybe you lose your job. That's where an emergency fund comes in. It's your financial safety net. The goal is to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. Now I know that might seem like a lot, especially when you're just getting by. But start small. Even if it's just $5 or $10 a week, put something aside in a separate savings account. Think of it like this. That emergency fund isn't just money in the bank, it's peace of mind. It's knowing that you can handle whatever life throws your way without going into debt. Chapter 3. Listen, there are government assistance programs out there designed to help families like yours. And there's absolutely no shame in taking advantage of them. We're talking about food stamps or SNAP benefits, childcare assistance, housing subsidies, and more. I know it can feel overwhelming trying to navigate the system and figure out what you qualify for. But trust me, it's worth it. These programs can make a huge difference in your budget and give you some breathing room. Check out your state's website, contact your local social services agency, or even reach out to a nonprofit organization that helps families. They can guide you through the process and answer any questions you might have. Remember, you're not alone. Chapter 4. Want to accelerate your financial progress? It's time to explore those side hustles. The gig economy is booming, and there are tons of ways to bring in some extra cash. Think about your skills and interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Could you offer freelance writing or editing services? Maybe you're a whiz at math and could tutor students online. Or maybe you're crafty and could sell handmade jewelry or home decor on Etsy. The possibilities are endless. Even dedicating a few hours a week to a side hustle can make a real difference in your income. Plus, who knows? It might even turn into a full-time gig down the road. Chapter 5. It's time to think long-term, folks. We're talking about your kids' education and your own retirement. I know, it might seem like a lifetime away, but trust me, it sneaks up on you faster than you think. Even if you can only spare a small amount right now, start putting money aside regularly. Open a 529 plan for your child's education and start contributing what you can. And don't forget about your own retirement. Look into opening a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA. The key is to start early and be consistent. Remember, compound interest is your best friend. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Being a single mom is anything but easy, but you are stronger than you think. By taking control of your finances, you're not just creating a more secure future for yourself, you're setting an incredible example for your kids. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about progress. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your financial goals. So keep budgeting, keep saving, keep hustling, and never give up on yourself or your dreams. You've got this, Mama. I'm rooting